SAP Fieldglass Online Training. Learn and improve your knowledge with ProExcellency. Introductions. SAP Fieldglass is a cloud-based vendor management system, VMS, that helps organizations effectively manage their contingent workforce. It provides a centralized platform for sourcing, engaging, and managing temporary or contract workers, as well as the suppliers that provide them. With SAP Fieldglass, businesses can streamline their contingent workforce management processes, improve visibility into workforce spend, and ensure compliance with labor regulations. Overview of SAP Fieldglass. SAP Fieldglass offers a comprehensive suite of features to support end-to-end contingent workforce management. It covers various aspects, including supplier management, worker profile creation, job requisition posting, candidate selection and evaluation, work order and contract management, timesheet and expense management, reporting and analytics, and integration with other systems. The platform provides a user-friendly interface and robust functionality to handle the complexities of managing a contingent workforce. Key features and benefits. Supplier management. SAP Fieldglass allows organizations to efficiently onboard, manage, and qualify their suppliers. It enables the creation and maintenance of supplier profiles, tracks compliance and certifications, and facilitates performance evaluations. Contingent worker management. The platform offers tools for creating and managing worker profiles, including their qualifications, skills, and work history. It simplifies the process of assigning workers to specific projects or tasks, managing extensions, and tracking their performance. Sourcing and engagement. SAP Fieldglass helps organizations post job requisitions, search for suitable candidates, and evaluate their qualifications. It streamlines the interview and selection process, ensuring organizations can quickly engage the right talent for their projects. Work order and contract management. Users can create work orders, define contract details, and track the progress and milestones of each assignment. This feature ensures transparency, accountability, and effective management of contractual agreements. Timesheet and expense management. SAP Fieldglass provides tools for workers to submit timesheets and expenses electronically. Managers can review and approve these submissions, allowing for accurate and timely payments. Reporting and analytics. The platform offers a range of reporting capabilities to gain insights into workforce data, supplier performance, and financial metrics. Users can generate standard reports or create custom reports tailored to their specific needs. Integration with other systems. SAP Fieldglass supports integration with enterprise resource planning (ERP) systems such as SAP ERP, as well as other third-party systems and applications. This integration enables seamless data exchange and enhances overall process efficiency. Importance of SAP Fieldglass in contingent workforce management. Effective management of a contingent workforce is crucial for organizations to meet their project requirements, control costs, and ensure compliance. SAP Fieldglass provides a centralized platform that automates and streamlines various workforce management processes. It offers benefits such as cost control. SAP Fieldglass helps organizations optimize their contingent workforce spend by providing visibility into worker rates, contract terms, and supplier performance. This transparency enables better negotiation with suppliers and ensures competitive pricing. Compliance. With ever-changing labor laws and regulations, compliance is a critical aspect of contingent workforce management. SAP Fieldglass provides tools to track and manage worker compliance, certifications, and legal requirements, minimizing compliance risks. Efficiency and productivity. By automating manual processes and providing self-service capabilities, SAP Fieldglass improves efficiency and reduces administrative burden. This allows managers and HR personnel to focus on strategic tasks and enhances overall productivity. Quality and talent management. SAP Fieldglass enables organizations to source and engage high-quality talent quickly. It streamlines the candidate selection process, facilitates efficient communication with suppliers, and supports effective performance tracking. Visibility and reporting. The platform offers robust reporting and analytics capabilities, providing insights into workforce metrics, supplier performance, and financial data. This visibility enables data-driven decision-making and supports continuous improvement initiatives. Getting started with SAP Fieldglass. To get started with SAP Fieldglass, there are a few prerequisites and system requirements to consider. These include system requirements and prerequisites. Internet connectivity. SAP Fieldglass is a cloud-based platform, so a stable internet connection is necessary to access and use the system. Supported browsers. SAP Fieldglass supports various web browsers such as Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, and Safari. Ensure that you are using a supported browser version. User accounts. Organizations need to have user accounts created for their personnel who will be accessing and using SAP Fieldglass. These accounts are typically created by system administrators or designated personnel. Accessing SAP Fieldglass. Once user accounts have been created, users can access SAP Fieldglass by logging in through a web browser using their assigned credentials. The login page and URL will be provided by the system administrator. User roles and permissions. SAP Fieldglass employs a role-based access control system to manage user permissions. Different user roles can be defined based on job responsibilities and access requirements. Some common user roles include system administrators, managers, suppliers, and workers. Each role is assigned specific permissions and access levels to different features and functionalities within the system. Navigating the SAP Fieldglass interface. Once logged in, users will be presented with the SAP Fieldglass interface. The interface typically consists of a dashboard, menu structure, and customizable widgets. Users can navigate through different sections of the platform using the menu options and access the desired features and functionalities. Dashboard overview. The dashboard provides an overview of key metrics, alerts, and activities relevant to the user's role and responsibilities. It may include widgets displaying information such as pending approvals, upcoming deadlines, and performance metrics. Menu structure and navigation. SAP Fieldglass employs a menu structure to organize its features and functionalities. The menu typically includes options such as supplier management, contingent worker management, sourcing and engagement, work order and contract management, timesheet and expense management, reporting and analytics, and system settings. Users can navigate through these menu options to access the desired sections and perform specific tasks. Customizing the interface. The SAP Fieldglass interface can be customized to meet individual user preferences. Users can personalize their dashboards by adding or removing widgets, rearranging the layout, and selecting the information they want to display. This customization helps users focus on the most relevant information for their roles. Managing user profiles and permissions. System administrators or designated personnel are responsible for creating and managing user profiles within SAP Fieldglass. This includes assigning the appropriate user roles and permissions based on job responsibilities. User profiles should be regularly reviewed and updated to ensure access rights align with organizational needs. Creating user profiles. To create a user profile in SAP Fieldglass, the system administrator or designated personnel need to access the user administration section and fill in the required information, such as name, contact details, and assigned user role. The user will then receive login credentials to access the system. Assigning user roles and permissions. User roles and permissions can be assigned during the user profile creation process or modified later by the system administrator. Assigning the correct roles and permissions ensures that users have the appropriate access levels to perform their tasks without compromising system security. User administration best practices. When managing user profiles and permissions in SAP Fieldglass, it is essential to follow best practices to maintain security and data integrity. These include: regularly review and update user profiles to ensure they align with current job responsibilities and access requirements. Implement a strong password policy and enforce regular password changes to enhance system security. Limit user permissions to only what is necessary for each user's role. Granting excessive privileges can increase the risk of unauthorized access or misuse. Conduct user training and provide clear guidelines on the acceptable use of SAP Fieldglass to promote responsible and secure usage. Configuring system settings. System settings in SAP Fieldglass allow organizations to customize the platform according to their specific requirements. These settings typically include general system configuration, user preferences, and email notifications. General system configuration. System administrators can configure various system-wide settings, such as defining default values, configuring workflows, setting up compliance rules, and establishing integration parameters with other systems. Customizing user preferences. Users can personalize their SAP Fieldglass experience by configuring their preferences. This includes settings such as language preferences, time zone settings, notification preferences, and layout customizations. Setting up email notifications. SAP Fieldglass can send email notifications to users for various events and actions, such as pending approvals, upcoming deadlines, or changes in work assignments. System administrators can configure the email notification settings based on user preferences and organizational needs. Creating and managing suppliers. Suppliers play a crucial role in contingent workforce management, and SAP Fieldglass provides features to effectively manage supplier relationships. This includes adding new suppliers, managing supplier data, and ensuring compliance with qualification requirements. Adding new suppliers. To add a new supplier in SAP Fieldglass, System administrators or designated personnel can access the supplier management section and provide the necessary supplier information, such as company details, contact information, and compliance documentation. Once added, suppliers can be on board and engaged for contingent workforce requirements. Supplier data management. SAP Fieldglass allows organizations to manage supplier data, including maintaining supplier profiles, tracking certifications and compliance, and reviewing performance metrics. This data management ensures that suppliers meet the organization's requirements and standards. Supplier qualification and compliance. SAP Fieldglass enables organizations to define qualification criteria and compliance requirements for suppliers. These criteria can include factors such as financial stability, industry certifications, legal compliance, and performance history. The platform helps track and manage supplier compliance to ensure that only qualified suppliers are engaged. Managing contingent workers. SAP Fieldglass provides robust features for managing contingent workers throughout their life cycle, from onboarding to assignment management and performance tracking. Creating worker profiles. To create a worker profile in SAP Fieldglass, users can access the Contingent Worker Management section and provide the necessary information, such as personal details, qualifications, work history, and skill sets. Worker profiles serve as a central repository of information for each individual worker. Entering worker details and qualifications. Users can enter worker details into the system, including personal information, contact details, work authorization, certifications, and qualifications. This information helps organizations match workers to appropriate job requisitions and ensure compliance with legal requirements. Managing worker assignments and extensions. SAP Fieldglass allows users to manage worker assignments, including assigning workers to specific projects or tasks, tracking their work progress, and managing contract extensions when required. This ensures proper utilization of resources and effective workforce planning. Sourcing and engaging talent. SAP Fieldglass provides features to streamline the sourcing and engagement of contingent talent, enabling organizations to quickly identify and engage suitable candidates for their projects. Posting job requisitions. Users can post job requisitions in SAP Fieldglass, specifying the required skills, qualifications, and project details. These requisitions are made available to suppliers, who can then propose suitable candidates for consideration. Searching and selecting candidates. SAP Fieldglass offers search and filtering capabilities to help users find and select candidates based on specific criteria such as skills, experience, location, and availability. This streamlines the candidate selection process and ensures efficient talent acquisition. Interviewing and evaluating candidates. Once candidates are shortlisted, SAP Fieldglass provides tools to facilitate the interview and evaluation process. This can include scheduling interviews, recording interview feedback, and conducting reference checks. These features help organizations make informed decisions when selecting candidates. Managing work orders and contracts. SAP Fieldglass supports the creation, management, and tracking of work orders and contracts associated with contingent workforce engagements. Creating work orders. Users can create work orders in SAP Fieldglass, defining the details of the project or task, the required skills, the start and end dates, and any other relevant information. Work orders serve as the basis for engaging contingent workers and tracking their activities. Managing contract details. SAP Fieldglass allows users to manage contract details associated with contingent worker engagements. This includes defining contract terms, payment rates, billing cycles, and any specific contractual clauses or requirements. Tracking work order progress and milestones. The platform enables users to track the progress and milestones of each work order. This includes monitoring the completion of deliverables, tracking time and expenses, and capturing other project-specific metrics. Tracking work order progress helps ensure projects stay on schedule and within budget. Timesheet and expense management. SAP Fieldglass simplifies the submission, approval, and management of timesheets and expenses for contingent workers. Submitting timesheets and expenses. Contingent workers can submit their timesheets and expenses electronically through SAP Fieldglass. They can enter their worked hours, specify the tasks performed, and provide any relevant expense details. The system captures this information for further processing. Approving timesheets and expenses. Managers or designated personnel can review and approve the submitted timesheets and expenses within SAP Fieldglass. They can verify the accuracy of the information, ensure compliance with policies, and approve the submissions for payment. Handling exceptions and corrections. In cases where there are discrepancies or errors in timesheets or expense submissions, SAP Fieldglass provides mechanisms to handle exceptions and make corrections. This ensures accurate and timely processing of payments and minimizes payment disputes. Reporting and analytics. SAP Fieldglass offers robust reporting and analytics capabilities to help organizations gain insights into their contingent workforce data, supplier performance, and financial metrics. Overview of reporting capabilities. The platform provides a range of pre-built reports that cover various aspects of contingent workforce management. These reports include workforce spend analysis, supplier performance metrics, worker compliance reports, and more. The reports offer valuable insights into key metrics and facilitate data-driven decision-making. Generating standard reports. Users can generate standard reports within SAP Fieldglass by selecting the desired report type, specifying any required parameters or filters, and running the report. The system generates the report, which can then be viewed on screen, downloaded, or exported in different formats. Creating custom reports. SAP Fieldglass allows users to create custom reports tailored to their specific needs. This can include selecting desired data fields, defining filters and sorting options, and configuring report layouts. Custom reports offer flexibility in analyzing and presenting data according to individual requirements. Integration with other systems. SAP Fieldglass supports integration with various systems and applications, enabling seamless data exchange and process automation. Integration options and methods. The platform provides integration options such as web services, APIs, and file-based integrations. These integration methods allow SAP Fieldglass to exchange data with other systems, such as ERP systems, HR systems, or financial systems. Data exchange with ERP systems. Integration between SAP Fieldglass and ERP systems, such as SAP ERP, enables the synchronization of data related to procurement, invoicing, and financial transactions. This integration streamlines the overall process, eliminates manual data entry, and ensures data consistency between systems. Third-party integrations and APIs. SAP Fieldglass offers APIs and integration capabilities that allow organizations to connect with third-party systems and applications. This integration can include applicant tracking systems, ATS, HR management systems, HRMS, payroll systems, and more. These integrations enhance overall process efficiency and eliminate data silos. Troubleshooting and support. When using SAP Fieldglass, users may encounter issues or require assistance. Understanding common issues, troubleshooting techniques, and accessing support resources is essential. Common issues and resolutions. Common issues in SAP Fieldglass can include login problems, system errors, data inconsistencies, or integration issues. Troubleshooting these issues may involve checking internet connectivity, verifying user credentials, clearing browser cache, or reviewing system configurations. For specific issues, consulting the system documentation or contacting support may be necessary. Troubleshooting tips and techniques. When troubleshooting issues in SAP Fieldglass, it is important to gather relevant information such as error messages, steps to reproduce the problem, and any recent changes made to the system. This information helps support personnel or system administrators diagnose and resolve the issues more effectively. Accessing support resources. SAP Fieldglass provides various support resources, such as user guides, knowledge bases, and community forums. These resources offer guidance on using the system, troubleshooting common issues, and accessing the latest updates and best practices. Users can access support resources through the SAP Fieldglass website or customer support portal. Best practices for SAP Fieldglass. Implementing best practices in contingent workforce management using SAP Fieldglass can maximize the benefits and efficiency of the system. Implementing best practices in contingent workforce management. To optimize contingent workforce management with SAP Fieldglass, organizations should consider defining clear and consistent processes for contingent workforce management, including onboarding, worker assignment, compliance tracking, and performance management. Establishing effective communication channels with suppliers, workers, and other stakeholders to ensure smooth collaboration and alignment of goals. Regularly reviewing and updating worker and supplier profiles to ensure accurate and up-to-date information is available. Implementing continuous monitoring of worker compliance and performance metrics to identify areas for improvement and take proactive actions. Training users on the effective use of SAP Fieldglass and promoting adoption of best practices across the organization. Optimization techniques for efficient usage. To optimize the usage of SAP Fieldglass, organizations can consider 1. Configuring system settings and user preferences to align with specific business requirements and user preferences. 2. Automating manual processes, such as timesheet and expense submissions, through system integrations or self-service functionalities. 3. Leveraging reporting and analytics capabilities to gain insights into workforce data, identify trends, and make informed decisions. 4. Conducting periodic system audits to ensure data accuracy, system performance, and adherence to security standards. Ensuring data accuracy and integrity. Maintaining data accuracy and integrity in SAP Fieldglass is crucial for reliable reporting, compliance, and decision-making. Organizations should establish data validation processes, perform regular data audits, and ensure proper data governance practices. This includes monitoring data quality, validating input data, and conducting periodic reviews to identify and correct any discrepancies or errors. Future enhancements and updates. SAP Fieldglass continuously evolves with new features, enhancements, and updates. Organizations should stay informed about upcoming releases, version upgrades, and new functionalities to leverage the latest capabilities of the platform. Regularly reviewing product documentation, subscribing to product update notifications, and participating in user communities or forums can help organizations stay up to date with future enhancements. Release schedules and version upgrades. SAP Fieldglass typically follows a release schedule that includes major releases, service packs, and bug fixes. Release schedules are communicated by SAP, and organizations should plan for version upgrades based on their specific requirements, system configurations, and support agreements. Staying informed about product updates. SAP provides product documentation, release notes, and user communities to keep users informed about product updates. Organizations should regularly review these resources, participate in user forums, and engage with SAP or its partners to stay updated about the latest features, best practices, and support options available for SAP Fieldglass. Why do you choose ProExcellency for SAP Fieldglass Online training? There are many reasons why you should choose ProExcellency for SAP Fieldglass Online training. Here are some of the most important ones. Expert instructors. ProExcellency's instructors are all SAP Fieldglass experts with years of experience in the field. They are passionate about teaching and have a knack for explaining complex concepts in a clear and concise way. Flexible learning schedule. ProExcellency's SAP Fieldglass Online training is offered on a flexible schedule, so you can learn at your own pace and convenience. You can access the training materials 24/7, and you can ask your instructor questions whenever you need help. Real-world projects. ProExcellency's SAP Fieldglass Online training includes real-world projects that give you hands-on experience with the software. This will help you to learn the software more effectively and to be more prepared for a job in the field. Certification assistance. ProExcellency offers certification assistance to help you pass the SAP Certified Application Associate SAP Fieldglass Services and External Workforce Management exam. This will give you the official certification that employers are looking for. Connect with us. +9 18722079509. +9 190089060809. www.proexcellency.com. Thanks for watching.